How to chat safely on Skout. Only connect when verified profile. Look for users who have verified account or complete profile. Verified accounts are less likely to be fake or spam. And protect your personal information. Never share sensitive information like your home address, phone number, or bank account or financial information. Also, password. Use private chat to communicate. You can also send a wave first to see if the person is interested in chatting. Be cautious with links and medias. Do not click on suspicious links sent by others. Avoid downloading unknown files or images from strangers. If someone behaves inappropriately, spam, or threats you, tap report on their profile. Follow the instruction to report the user to Skout. Go to settings, go privacy settings, and restrict who can contact you, hide your location from stranger, control who can see your profile. If the conversation feels off or uncomfortable, stop chatting immediately. And always prioritize your safety over making new friends. Scout is fun when you stay smart and cautious. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.